Okay, so we've figured out now how to add just kind of generic pages to our class page. Now I'm going to show you how to use the modules. So just as we did before when we were adding a generic page, we're going to go to the menus. Click on there. Now we have our class navigation editor once again. All these right here under where it says modules are kind of pre-done pages for you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to one by one drag them over to the left so that we can go through each one of them and see what they do. We have an assignments module. We have a blog module that kind of lets you just type content for your students and parents to read. If you're a class that does lots of activities, field trips, after-school activities, you maybe want an events calendar. Same thing, if you do a lot of activities, you probably want a gallery so you can show all the pictures of things that you do. Okay, we've got a homework one, so you can tell everybody what the homework is for every week of the year and everyone knows where they should be. If you want to create a newsletter or a news section so everyone knows what's going on, do news. Podcasts, which is what I'm using right now. Add that on there. And last but not least, scope. So you tell everybody what's supposed to be covered when. Okay. So you see it's pretty easy to add all those. You just click on them and drag them over to the name of your class. And then when you get the green circle with the plus sign, you let it go and it adds it. So now these are all the options that are going to show up for us. Everything. Once you're done with that, you have everything that you want to use. Go ahead and click Save. Alright, you see that it refreshed for me. And now I have assignments, I have a blog page, I have an events calendar, gallery, a homework page, news, podcasts, and scope. Great. So let's just start off first one with assignments. Alright. So quite frankly, I'll be honest, I have no idea how to use this perpetual assignments thing. I haven't figured that out. If any of you out there happen to figure out how to use it, please let me know. Now, this basically just says, here are all the assignments I have going right now. You can upload resources to go with it. So if there's some sort of class notes or PowerPoint or whatever that you think will help the students complete this particular assignment, you can do that. So the first step is to click right here where it says Create New. Got our page editor, comes right up, and we're going to go ahead and name our assignment. So we'll just say maybe planets. I know a lot of teachers are working on that right now in the science department. Okay, over here you can actually create some sort of a thumbnail picture to go next to your assignment to identify it. It's not a necessary thing, but if you want to add that little touch, that's up to you. There's also an assignment duration. So you can say, I assigned it today, and it is due, I'll say next Tuesday. Okay. Now, I'm going to just maybe describe what the assignment is. Research planets and create brochure. Something like that. And the resource file, I know some of you are actually having students create brochures. Maybe you would want to upload a brochure template for them, something like that. Just something you think would help them complete the assignment. So just as we've done before, you would upload files, search out where the file is saved, and add it. Okay, once you have everything done, we're going to go ahead and hit publish now. Yes, I'm sure. And there we go. You see that my assignment is right here. And you'll see again under here it says edit and delete. If I would like to delete that assignment, I would just hit delete. The assignment would go away. If I'd like to edit that assignment, I can click edit. And once again, I want to click live. And it'll take me back here so that I can edit all the details of the assignment. If I wanted to, maybe upload another resource file I forgot to put on there, something like that. You just make all your changes. Publish now. Publish again. Done. Okay, if I click on it, Takes me to that page. If I had any resource files uploaded, they would show up here on this page. This is where your thumbnail photo would go if we had one. And it just tells you the date that this aid was assigned and the date that it's due. Perfect. Okay, that's all there is to that. There really isn't much else. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Okay, so that's it for this one. Go ahead and watch the next video for learning how to do blogs.